Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the Graco SlimFit3 LX 3-in-1 slim car seat in Katrina. A compact, versatile seat designed to grow with your child from infancy all the way into booster age. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get yours today at the best discounted price. Design and build quality. The SlimFit3 LX is built to be slim. It's ideal for cars with tighter back seats or for families needing to fit more than one car seat across. It's sturdy and thoughtfully constructed, with quality materials that feel durable while still being comfortable. The seat fabric is removable and machine washable, making cleanup easier after messy trips. 3-in-1 functionality. This car seat is a true all-rounder. Rear-facing mode for infants. Forward-facing mode for toddlers. Highback booster mode for older children. Because of this, you won't need to buy multiple seats as your child grows. The SlimFit3 LX covers you through several stages. Space-saving design. One of the key strengths is how narrow it is. Even when installed, it leaves more room in your car's rear seat area. Great for smaller vehicles or to allow other passengers or seats alongside it. Comfort and adjustability. The seat includes multiple recline options and an adjustable headrest to keep your child comfortable at all ages. The harness is easy to adjust without needing to rethread, which is a big plus for quick transitions as your child grows. There are also built-in cup holders for drinks or snacks, helping keep the journey cleaner and more convenient. Safety and features. Graco is known for safety, and this model doesn't disappoint. Its frame is reinforced, and it uses impact-absorbing foam to help protect your child in crashes. Throughout its modes, it meets safety standards for each stage of use. Installation and practicality. Installing the SlimFit3 LX is fairly straightforward thanks to clear indicators and latch connectors. Because the seat is slim, you may have to fiddle with angle or seatbelt routing in some vehicles, but many parents find it manageable with a few adjustments. Its lighter weight compared to bulkier convertible booster combos also makes it easier to move between cars if needed. Pros. 3-in-1 functionality, rear-facing, forward-facing, high-back booster. Slim profile. Excellent for tight back seats. Adjustable headrest and harness, no rethreading required. Multiple recline options. Machine washable cover and built-in cup holders. Good value for covering several stages. Cons. As a jack of all stages, it may not excel in every category, e.g. some seats may provide more legroom in rear-facing mode. Installation in very compact cars may feel tight. Switching modes may require careful adjustment. Final verdict. If you're looking for a space-efficient, long-lasting car seat that will carry your child from infancy through booster age, the Graco SlimFit3 LX in Katrina is an excellent option. It blends convenience, safety, and adaptability without taking up too much room in your vehicle. Be sure to check the link below to get the Graco SlimFit3 LX 3-in-1 slim car seat today at the best discount before the promotion ends.